Hi all, it is Nicola Lalev again, and in this tutorial you will learn how to modify your older Archicad projects and make them usable. First we start with the bathroom and toilet equipment. Use the command Find and Select by clicking Ctrl plus Shift plus A button. Select one of the features and select the similar ones in the project. The grey color isn't suitable, of course, and we need to change the background fill color and also the fill type. Make them white, and the contour pen, use any pen which you like. I prefer using the blue color. First I will make them grey to see the effect, but they actually are the same color with the fill, which I don't like, and I will make them blue. Yes, that's good. Do the same thing for the any other type of furniture. The kitchen appliances, the beds, the tables and so on. Use white fill again, and for the contour pen I use grey color. Yes, that's great. Any slabs that are above the floor plan level shall be with cover fill of a white color and placed above any zones or other slab. All the slabs in the project must contain the same pen sets. That's why we changed the contour pen, the uncontained pen and the cut line pen to black. Change the parameters of any object that is inserted in the older version, and also its geometry. This is the old wardrobe. It is the original Archicad library wardrobe. I used my own in this project, and first I delete any unnecessary lines, then change the object to my own wardrobe. Changes geometry to match the depth of the slabs that are near it. Remove the curvature of the slab and make the edge rectangular. Then measure the distance and use the curve with the same radius. You can see the zones on the floor below are just a disaster. we need to insert the properties of the correct zones in the floor above. Do the same for the zones in the bathrooms and also the bedrooms and the living room. Leave only the layer of the zones for your convenience. Now let's change the parameters of the font size as well as the font color. We need to look at the correct zones on the floor above and their parameters. Go to appearance, you can see the font size in millimeters and also the size of the title is in the info box. This for use the same font size parameters for the zones on the store below. Finally, change the font color of all zones. The gray zone I use for calculating the total area of the floor. The total area is just calculated, and now we need not to see the zone in the gray color, which overshadows everything. I removed it. Now we need to update the zones. Leave only the layers of the walls and zones. Draw any lines necessary to separate the zones by making them a zone boundary. And go to your update zones command. Update the zone again and move its name tag. Also move any name tag that intersect walls. Change the parameters of all walls by removing any overrides and changing the cut fill pen. Use the fill pens defined in your building materials. Now let's focus on the windows. It is a problematic part of our project, because they have many parameters, and usually many users hate modifying them. Go to your basic window settings and floor plan and section. Remove the nasty gray fill in the background. Change the uncut and cut line lengths. Also change the pencil the marker. This is not exactly the result we wanted. We need to show the contour lines of the walls on both sides. And also to change the dimension markers. Again, you need to use any other color different than white. Yes, that's good. Do the same procedure for the story above by removing any gray fills and changing any old objects. Don't forget to change the pants of any walls and slabs to be unified and uniformed. Now let's focus on the side elements. Change the color of any views you used and make the dimensions visible. They're also in some grayish color. We need to change it to black and cyan colors. Also the boundary walls. Now change the stair parameters. This is a very problematic part for most Archicad users because the parameters are scattered around and are too many. I think it is a drawback of the program, but anyway. Let's change the color of the steps as well as the color of the symbols used for start of the stair and end of the stair. To the above home story shall be black as well as to the on the home story. Don't forget to change the size of the text and make it black, which I didn't do on the first try, but that's why it requires more time and precision. Go to your stair again and change the pen of the text. And the starting and ending symbols to red, or black or white, of your preference. I still forgot to change the text. Oh my. It doesn't need to be gray at all. We must change it to a visible color of cyan, or in this case black. Oh, that's all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and it will help you very much in your architectural practice, I'm sure. Good luck and be well, be healthy.